Hi, I am Sanjay Naikwadi, working as a solution architect. Today I will be demonstrating on modernizing VM recovery for KubeVirt with granular file level restore using Portworx Backup. VMs are back in Kubernetes thanks to KubeVirt, but recovery workflow still lags behind. What if someone accidentally deletes file inside the VMs? What if VMs is partially encrypted by ransomware? What if someone wants to retrieve configs or old log files? What if you have multiple disks attached to VM and want to recover specific file or folder from specific disks? With single file restore, you can recover specific files or folders directly from VM backups without doing a full VM or a volume restore. Now let's jump on a demo to see how it works. Here is my OpenShift cluster. You can see PXBBQ project. Under this project, I am running Ubuntu, which has Apache, PHP, MySQL installed. You can see my website is up and running. The website is PXBBQ. I will show you the web config directory. This is var www.html bbq, which has various PHP as well as other folders. Now let's go to PX Backup and take a backup. You can see I have already added my cluster in PX Backup. Now let's click into that. Let's go to the application, click on the VM tabs, and you will see your multiple running VM machines. The first machine is where we have configured our web application. So you can take a complete full backup by hitting this backup tab. For this demo, I have already taken a backup, and you can see my backup has already been successfully completed. Now what we will do, let's go back to the console and try to delete our index.php file. Let's go back to the application, refresh the page and see, oh, my application is down. Now what should I do? Don't worry. Let's go back to the PX Backup. We already have the full backup from where you can restore that single file. Just go back to your applications, to your running VM. You see the restore option here. Just click on the restore. You will see the third option is files or folder restore. Click on file or folder restore and you will list the backup of that VM which was already been taken. You have to select this VM, select the next, enter the restore name. So we are doing an index file restore. So I'm just giving the index file restore name. Now that VM would be having multiple volumes. You have to select the correct volume for it. So in my case, I have only one volume. So VDA. I will click onto the next. Here I have to provide the exact path. So if you see, what was the path? It was var www.html bbq, and what was the file name? It was index.php. So I have to provide the relative source path. So I will not add the slash at the start. Just give index.php. It says, is your disk been partitioned? Yes, my disk has been partitioned. What is your partition? So, VDA1. I can simply verify from here by doing df-h or lsblk. You can identify what disk you had and which partition you had. So in my case, it's VDA1. So that is what I have given as a VDA1. What I have to select as the destination. So restore it to the original path or to alternate path. I will keep it as the original path. So next, okay, it gives me a information what I'm going to restore it, and say click on the restore. Click on the restore tab, come to the VM tab, and you will see the index file restore is going on. So let's wait until the restore is completed. You can see the restore is completed. Now let's go back to the website and do a refresh, and you can see your website is back and running. Granular recovery is no longer a luxury feature. It's become essential for modern Kubernetes data protection. Modern VM on Kubernetes deserves modern recovery, and that's what Portworx Backup delivers. Thank you.